If bare patches keep showing up on your lawn, there is a very good chance you are fixing them wrong. Most people see a bald spot, throw some seed on top, water it once or twice, and hope for the best. 2 weeks later, nothing has grown, and the patch is still there. Or worse, weeds have moved in instead. The problem is not the seed. The problem is what you are doing before and after you put it down. Here is how to actually fix bare patches so they stay fixed. Step 1. Find out why the patch appeared in the first place. This is the step almost everyone skips. If you do not fix the cause, the patch will come back every single time. The most common reasons are mowing too short, heavy foot traffic in the same spot, dog urine, poor drainage, or shade from a wall or tree. If the same area keeps going bare, something is causing it, and no amount of seed will fix that on its own. Step 2. Prepare the ground properly. This is where most people go wrong. They scatter seed straight onto hard, compacted soil and wonder why nothing happens. Seed needs to touch loose soil to germinate, so grab a rake and scratch up the surface. Remove any dead grass, moss, or debris. You want to see fresh soil, not a mat of dead material sitting on top. If the ground is really compacted, push a garden fork in a few times to loosen it up. This takes 2 minutes and makes all the difference. Step 3. Use the right seed. Do not just grab the cheapest bag you can find. If the patch is in a shady corner, use a shade-tolerant mix. If it is in a high-traffic area, go for a hard-wearing mix. The wrong seed in the wrong spot will either grow weak or not grow at all. Sprinkle the seed evenly across the patch. Not too thick, not too thin. A light handful per patch is usually enough. Step 4. Keep it moist. This is the part that decides whether your repair works or fails. New seed needs consistent moisture for at least 2 to 3 weeks. That does not mean flooding it. It means a light watering every day, ideally in the morning, so the soil stays damp but not soaked. If you water it once and forget about it, the seed will dry out and die before it even gets a chance. And one more thing, do not walk on it. Fresh seed is fragile. Keep foot traffic off the patched area until the new grass is established and has been mowed at least once. So remember, find the cause, prepare the soil, choose the right seed, and keep it watered. Do it properly once, and you will not have to do it again. If your lawn has a problem you want me to cover, drop it in the comments.